To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are 3 locking pins securing the panel. Rotate the 3 locking clips counterclockwise to unlock them. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1046C filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reinstall the panel. Rotate and lock the securing pins. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.